Welcome back, everybody. Ladies and gentlemen, today, the news when I get for now, a lot of news, a lot of things they happen once again in Nigeria. But in this video, we go talk about how the Boko Haram leader, Mwembi Shakao, take threaten one man, Mwembi the Minister of Communication and Digital Economy, what they call Dr. Issa Ibrahim Patani. Okay? This threat, now yesterday, this threat come out. Ladies and gentlemen, not be only the minister when in threaten. The man threatened of, that is the army chief, the leader of the army, then when be Toka Borata, threaten una president, when be Muhammadu Buhari, aka Jubri, threaten everybody. You get. This same Shakao, na somebody or someone when Nigerian government, including President Muhammadu Buhari, including this same Borata when in threaten, all of them combined together, don't come tell Ona when did that country say they don't kill the man long time ago. Now the same guy, when they don't tell us, tell the whole world, say they don't kill this man. Small time again, they come back after some years, come back, come to say the man gets some bad wound. According to waiting the Nigerian army, they tell us, say the man get serious bad wound. That one after they don't tell us, see the man don't die. The same people, the same group of owner government when owner cherish die. So ladies and gentlemen, this Shakao don't come out, come talk, see the Minister of Communication say make him wait for him death. You understand? Say make him not forget. See, he get one guy when don't do waiting in do, waiting this minister do, when they don't already kill. Say where the man today, the Shakao, when be the leader of Boko Haram in the ask this Issa, say where that man day today. Say the man don't brag like Issa brag. Say but at the end of the day, then when be the Boko Haram don't take the man life. This Shaka brag. Say man, Issa don't finish. Say anywhere, in don't plead to all the whole ISIS when they Nigeria there. In don't plead to, including these people what they call Hesmin, plead to, you know, say, now Boko Haram be their own, ladies and gentlemen, complete to ISWAP, when be the, is the Islamic State of West Africa. Say anywhere when they see this man, when be Shakao, make them eliminate him. Say because the man threatened them. Say because the man tell them, say, in one block the means of their communication. Say why the man go try that? According to waiting the news, they tell us, ladies and gentlemen, the news they tell us, say, he get some people when get some kind of SIM card when not they registered, when the man try to block. But the news can't reach this Shakao hand. I can't say no. Say he got to eliminate this man before it is too late for him and his terrorist group. Again, he can't blast Ona Buhari aka Jubri. The talk say that Borno state where Buhari go, Buhari don't know what in they do. Say that Buhari too. Say then go still eliminate that Buhari. Also, he can't brag again, can't threaten the man when be the chief of army staff, Major General Aborata. When I think say na him go come eliminate the Boko Haram. Now the thing when Shakao talks him, this man when one block them, say they must to eliminate him anywhere when they see the man in that country where they call Nigeria. In don't plead to him people, plead to Allah. Say the man they claim say na Muslim, but don't really do right thing as Muslim people. Say them be infidel. Say Jubri na infidel. Say me the man won't block the thing when they do, when they are Allah, when be their God send them say, make them they do to Nigerian people when they not they hear word. Say because Nigerian people not they hear word, they must to deal with Nigerian people, deal with the president when they call Muhammadu Buhari. When we know say na a foreigner, una no one come out, come tell us say this man a foreigner. Already we know say na foreigner. Anyhow, when I like, we know they call him on Buhari, but waiting na they try tell Nigerian people be say this man they call Shakao. Don't tell and say, men, anywhere when we see you, all those Borno state where they run up and down, one day it go be your turn. Now so then tell Jubri, now so then still tell Major General Borata when they don't want come on from office. Now again, Gabashehu, the Buhari himself, all of them don't vow say no time when they go take sack these service chiefs. Say if you like, make you talk any and when you like, but Borata remain chief of army staff. All those service chiefs, when Nigerian people they call say that is after everybody done yan, ladies and gentlemen. These people are there, then bounce back and I tell you, say, man, this man no go come out. Already the man don't tell us say whether una pursue and come out for that position, whether in resign, whether in not resign. Say the insecurity situation when they that country, nobody go feel suffer. Say it go continue. Say Boko Haram go continue to the expand. Boko Haram goes continue to the kill. See Boko Haram insurgency no go stop in that country. Whether in leave office or whether in not leave office or now so you don't talk. You see, no way when they want to take remove them at the end of the day, can't fit solve the problem. And I remember before, say we don't tell and say make him first resign. So that people go take a look or then go re-strategize to see how they want to take defeat this Boko Haram insurgency. But instead don't tell una say but because una know say now these people now them be the real Boko Haram when they talk about. But Nigerian people una they pretend like say una don't know within there. I go see some people in the House of Rep or some senators, then go they yarn. Better know the problem. All of them don't compromise from Kidi, don't tell them. See the problem when I get in that country. Now the president himself will be the chief of the Boko Haram and the governor, state governors, when they allow all these things they happen in that country. Now them be the problem. Including the people when they House of Rep. All of them when they there now deceive, then they deceive now. All of them don't compromise. Carry Ghana must go. Anytime when they raise issue of insecurity in the house, where that man they call Lawan Day, when be the Senate president. You know, see say that man not the Finyan. That mumu man when they there, when be like frog, that one not the shake because that is why Buhari put her there to support him to make sure say all his agenda is fulfilled. That is why Buhari put that Lawan when be the senior president there. When I see say not the yan, people go stand up, talk. He go say, well, if you talk finish, you sit down. We did on our mission. We did our agenda must to fulfill. Anything in don't brag last time say anything when Buhari carry come give up now in the buy. Then he go sell them to Nigerian people. Meaning anything when Buhari want to making sign, he go they sign and they go without listening to anybody. Ladies and gentlemen, if you dey House of Representative or you be senator, we know say all of una compromise. Things when una dey talk, una no dey talk from una hearts. Una no dey talk from una heart because we know people when they serious. If people they serious today in that country, Boko Haram should be eliminated by now. Because see, all of una hand don't stain with corruption. That is why nothing they happen. That is why when I go just go there, talk. Borata goes, go resign. You then go resign. That must to resign. Oh, we won't do protest. We won't do look. All those things we know say na blabbing. All of them are corrupt. All of them are they follow Buhari. They push the Islamization agenda. The only thing when go solve the problem na division of the nation. Borata when be the major general don't open my tell and say no, they no go ever fit solve the problem. So I see no reason why people go come out in the house See some senators, then go just come and come they talk, say, oh, we want to do this, we want to do that. The man, when be the army general, I don't tell him, say, whether in go, whether in not go, that Boko Haram remain in Nigeria. Not be smart, ladies and gentlemen. Another one don't happen. Another one don't happen again. In Katsina State, ladies and gentlemen, the killing, they too much. This Katsina, when would they hear, when we want to talk about, na place where we talk, see, or na president come from. We know how many times, even Boko Haram don't go there, come adduce one king, be one of their emir in that same state. In fact, then when they come, they tell us, say, na Buhari family. When they come pay serious ransom to the Boko Haram. Whether they release that man, whether they not release them, funky D one, no one know. But ladies and gentlemen, I want to tell you now, waiting, the man when I talk say, na Jubri or na Buhari, waiting in tell on again. This thing that happened day before yesterday. That is like 2 days ago in Katsina State. After they don't do the one where they do in Borno State. And sometimes I go just see some people, then go they call, say, one Nigeria, one Nigeria. Which one Nigeria or they call? Which one Nigeria or they call? All of us follow call this one Nigeria before. But after the election, I say no. This one Nigeria no go ever be again. Because of waiting APC and PDP do. I wonder how I want to get free and fair election. Nothing like one Nigeria, ladies and gentlemen. I don't tell now before. We know they propagate for one Nigeria anymore. Waiting will they propagate. Now the freedom of the people of Biafra. So in Katsina State, Boko Haram, they enter there again. Come kill more than 40 people. Now the thing when the news they tell us, ladies and gentlemen, not be from Kidi, they make them up. Now the news, and I know say when this group of people, when they into power, when they tell you say na 40 when they kill, no say na 400 when they kill. Or 4 million, or 4,000. This one now happen in a full village. Then burn down everything. Carry the people when they carry, loot cows, carry cows. I wonder. Kill people, burn down their houses. Then come carry some cows, take off. You go wonder, all these things they happen. Where the police, when they say they get security? They say they get millions of security outfit in Katsina State, in Sokoto, in Kano, in all these places. Where then they when all these things they happen? You go ask yourself a question. And at the end of the day, you go still make you turn no see, man. These people, when they do this thing, now the same people. Where like 40 people, 40 able men go come out. 40 from nowhere. Just invade a whole village. And they go tell me, say, na bandits. Waiting be the meaning of bandit, ladies and gentlemen. Bandits, not they pass 3 or 4 people. But the news they tell us, say, 40 people go mobilize, come out in military uniform. Begin kill people at will. And at the end of the day, the government go to tell me, say, na bandits. How government go tell you, say, na bandits? When they did about 40, not before, 40 men with a military uniform with AK-47 enter Kano or Kaduna State. This one now they happen where una say una president come from. His hometown. And this thing they happen. Where did they kill? And una say Buhari they alive. I bet you, if that Buhari where we know before, they alive. If na him they there today, the man no go ever allow things like this to happen to his people. Guess waiting this man the time. That's why sometimes I go ask and I say, who be this person when they ask for rock, when they talk like this? Because the kind of comment when they come out from this man mouth, I never see presidents when be said and they talk the way when this Jubri Amino Sudani they talk. I never see a government when they talk like the way when people when be his aides, the way when they talk. I never see government when they talk like that. Because all of them, that they blah 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 too much. And everything when they tell on her, not they make any sense. Because then feel say una dey under their palm, and then go continue to dey do wetin dem dey do until when all of una go change una mindset. Buhari come talk say, according to wetin the news dey tell us regarding the killing when they kill in his hometown, they blame the indigenes. Just exactly the same way when they don't blame the people of Borno State, that is Medugri or Madugri, anyhow when you want call her. They blame the indigenes, say make them not they take laws into their hands. Say if they catch any of the Boko Haram or Hesmin, may them they kill them. That is capital punishment. May them not they respond with violence. Say the people, when they cause all this problem, this is another one when they don't talk. The one when they talk in Borno State, they different. This one, another one. Say the people, when they make this thing, they have, when they make Boko Haram, they come back in the same state. Now people, when we say, then they kill Boko Haram people. So, as such, if you not get Boko Haram, if you not capture Boko Haram member, make you kill them again, make you handle them to the army or to the police or to the law of the land. Say now then get right to, to judge, not be ordinary Nigerian citizen. But then forget, say, the people, when they there, they tell us, say, see what happen. Say the Boko Haram, say then get repentant Boko Haram. So when they bring them come, then go recruit them in the army. Then they go jail. Then they punish them. Then go just carry them. How not take no say those people repent? How come? Which technology not take no? How not take no say Boko Haram don't repent? Somebody when go don't kill like 2,000-3,000 people. One person, one of them. And you will come and tell the word say they don't repent. The next thing we'll go here be say, see when they recruit 190 something, 1,500 people, Boko Haram, when they don't repent to Nigerian army. Like see now only Nigerian army be the job when they that country. So now the thing now when the man they talk say make una know they kill Boko Haram. Not be today the man they tell on this and say na him be the oga pata of Boko Haram. Not be today. Many ways Buhari Abi Jubri don't display this thing. The people when they do this thing now Abba Kyari and Mamandaora. Because these people they don't want lose power. They don't want make power come out from the north. That is why they want to make sure see the country they ungovernable. Anybody when want enter go get too much problem. Anybody when go enter now, for example, God forbid Batten after 2023. Say this Jubri don't go back to Sudan. The next person when go enter, I bet you that person go run leave power. Because of waiting go come. Because of waiting this northerners don't plan to do to that person. Because they don't want make power come off from their people. And again, because of the Islamization agenda. They no go allow that person comfortably rule. Although we don't want that person because we know say that person must come from APC and PDP. That is why they tell you now, when they chant one Nigeria. You can never get peace in that country again. Because everybody don't compromise. That one Nigeria, not they sound well again to my ear because everybody don't compromise. Like I said before, all those ones when senators then they come out, then they talk this way, they talk that way. All of them don't carry Ghana must go. Then they play to Jubri's gallery, whether you like it or not. So this man now they come and they talk say make the indigenes if them like somebody don't kill like 100 people if you just catch and just carry and go give army then army themselves then go release that person put them for then go give them serious training like what we don't hear now say these people won't be the herdsmen people then they undergo serious training for what is coming serious jihad they come and to Nigerian government make una stop to they call this bandits. 40 people cannot be bandits. This one a war when they already start in that country. When una disagree to address because of una special interest. How a president go they talk say if they catch these people. Though not be bad thing before, but when you check the things when be the army and the police and the DSS and the SSS, including the government, they do the way when they take release Boko Haram. Then go release and they will come attack the soldiers again when we say they're not innocent soldiers, when they don't know anything, kill all of them. Then you will see say the game now when this man they play not come make any sense again. Normally, nobody's supposed to take any life. Why in not they tell those people to stop what that they do? And by telling them to stop, you have to arm your militaries, not be by mouth. Because you cannot fight insecurity with mouth. You understand? So, ladies and gentlemen, now the matter when concern Castina, concern Buhari, concern Jubri, concern Borata, concern Shakwa. When they don't tell us, say, Shakwa, say they don't kill Shakwa long time ago. Even in 2010, the same guy, then tell us, say they arrested the man. The police, they carry the man just jump, come on from police van in a commando style. Maybe na that place, na that one, na that movie, when somebody like Dino Malai take learn his own style, when they jump from, from police van to police van, or from police van to palm tree. No, that man don't climb palm tree, he don't jump many times from the police vehicle. When police van they move, will not be say stop, and when they move, then they jump. How come? Army they there. When they say then catch this same guy. Not be only that one, ladies and gentlemen. They can't tell us say, sometimes tell us say they don't kill the guy. Sometimes they don't tell us say the guy he don't wound. The same person. This one in America. Wonder. The same person don't die. No, only not all these things that happen. Even this Jubri now, there is Buhari when we don't know say he don't die, when still there alive. Abakari, the same thing. Now only them get 10 life. No only them get 10 life. So, waiting with the try to be say, all these things when this man they talk, when they blame people here and there, say, why did they do this to Boko Haram? Why did they do that to Boko Haram? Why? This man they talk this way when in they talk. That is why sometimes you, when be ordinary Nigerian, you just sit down for inside your house, begin wonder, say, who be this man when they talk like this? Who be this kind person? Because Nigerian person no fit come out. See where people they die, you will see, make they kill all these evil people. Then be say they don't take millions of life in that country. The same government, now then they buy them weapon, they supply them gun, they supply them their cars, their armor tank, their everything that they supply them. Ladies and gentlemen, this man when the office, everybody don't call, making leave Nigerian people alone. Not be Buhari did that place. That man at Jubri, you when be Gabashehu, stop coming out to the defend this failed government. Stop coming out to the defend Buhari. Stop coming out to the defend on ourselves. Because nobody they buy anything when on they talk. Nobody they buy them again. Yes, sir. So, ladies and gentlemen, this issue of Boko Haram, will they come back again? No, because another video again, they come on this Boko Haram. Because now matter when we need to talk about. The insecurity system in that country, now matter when we need to talk about. This government, they not get any solution for this thing when they're on ground in Nigeria. They not get any solution at all. That is why you see some people, they call, say, make the service chiefs then resign. But then when the service chief don't tell them, say, whether they resign, they not resign. Say, nothing they happen. Boko Haram will continue to they kill. Boko Haram will continue to they expand. You understand? Every time, these people that will come talk this way, next time they will come talk the other way. We not know the one when we go follow. But the only thing when we know, now the actualization of Biafra. That's all. One love, everybody. Funky D.